Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of multi-wish list for Shopware 6. Now this plugin provides an easy way for the customers to create multiple separate wish lists as per their need and add products into those wish lists. The customers under the account panel will get my wish list option. Here the customers can view the admin allowed number of wish lists that can be created by the customer and the total number of items that can be added per wish list. All created wish lists can be viewed by the customer. Apart from that, the customers can share their wish list or email, manage their wish list, set the status of each wish list as public or private as required, can delete any wish list, and can create the wish list as well. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin at the customers end, wherein I'll be showing you how the customers can view their wish list, create and manage them, how products can be added to the created wish lists from the product page, category page, and from the cart page. Apart from that, I'll also be showing you the admin configuration settings, wherein I'll be showing you the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. That's the multi-wish list for Shopware 6. And I'll be showing you how the admin can view the customer's wish list from the plugin settings in the admin backend there. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm on the login page at the Shopware web store and I've not logged into my account panel there. So what I'll do is I'll be logging into the account panel of the customer there. So after login, here you can see that we have one option under the my account, that's the my wish list. The same is visible here on the left hand side as well, my wish list. Tapping on the my wish list brings up this my wish list section wherein you can manage your wish list. The very first option that you can see here is the allowed wish list setting. So tapping that up would bring up this pop-up wherein you can check the total number of allowed wish lists that are allowed for the customer to create, the total number of items that can be added per each wish list there. Then we have the share wish list option. Tapping on that, you will be able to enter the email address to whom you want to share this wish list. You can enter a message as well, and then you can tap here on the share button to share the same. Then we have the manage wish list. If I tap on the manage wish list, the different wish lists would be popped up in a particular section here, from where we can update the status of each wish list as public or private, and we can tap on the update button thereafter, or we can delete the wish list as well by tapping on the delete option on the right hand corner for the particular wish list under the actions column. Let's go back. Apart from that, you'll also be able to create new wish lists by tapping on the create new button that you can see here. So right now you can see that we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 different wish lists. So if I tap on the dresses here, you can see the particular image column, product details column, and the actions column. Under the image column, you have the different images of the products that you have added within the dresses wish list. You have for each product, you have the item name, the quantity that is available, the price of the product, and on the right hand side you have the option to move this particular wish list item to another wish list, copy it to another wish list, delete this particular item from your particular wish list, or add this particular product into the cart to make a checkout there. Same goes with the other wish lists as well. The same details are visible here as well, and we have a move, copy, delete and add to cart option for each of the wish lists that we have created. Now let's go ahead and let's create one wish list there, and let's see how we can create a wish list. So to create a wish list, I'll just tap here on the create new one. That will bring up the add new wish list section, and here you'll be able to add your wish list. So here we have to enter the name of the wish list. Let's set it as New Year wish list. We'll set the status as public for the same, and we'll tap on the add wish list button. Now this would add the New Year shopping New Year wish list here, as you can see, and this is empty right now. Right now let's see how we can add products into the wish list. So for that, let's go to the free time and electronics category. Here on the category page you can see the particular product listings are there, and here we have a heart icon. So from here we can tap on the heart icon to add this particular product into the wish list. So for example, if I tap here, this will bring up the option to select your wish list. From the drop down, you can select your wish list. So I'll choose new your wish list and I'll tap here on the add to wish list. The product has been added into the wish list. If you try and tap on the add to wish list, then you can see that this item is already added to this particular wish list there. Now let's go to the product page. So this was the category page. Now let's go to the product page. So on the product page as well, you'll find this heart icon from where you will be able to add the products into your wish list. Let's add this particular product into the new your wish list there and tap on the add wish list button. Now let's go back to the free time and electronics category and let's do one thing. Let's add this particular product into the shopping cart and let's go to the shopping cart. Within the shopping cart as well, here you can see that we have the option to add the product into the wish list. So here we can tap on the add to wish list button. The particular pop-up would be displayed to the customer to select the particular wish list in which you want to add this particular product to. So I'll choose new your wish list and I'll tap here on the add to wish list button. So this was how the customers would be able to add the particular products into the wish list from the product page, category page and from the shopping cart page. Now here's the new year wish list that we had created and we had added the iPhone, Canon and the jacket there. Now from here you can tap any of the options that you are viewing here to operate on the particular product within the particular wish list. So for example, we have Christmas shopping and we don't have the Canon camera in it, right? So what I'll do is for this Canon product, I'll move this particular one to another wish list as well. I can do that. So for that I have to select the wish list. So I'll choose it as let's see which one it was. Which one was it? Christmas shopping, right? Here I'll choose Christmas shopping and I'll tap on the move option and this particular product would be removed from the new year wish list and would be added into the Christmas shopping. Otherwise I can keep this here as well, the Canon item in the new year wish list, and I can copy it up into the Christmas shopping wish list as well. So let's copy it out. Now if I go to the Christmas shopping, you can see the particular product is being displayed here, right? Now let me delete it from this particular wish list. By tapping on the delete option, the product has been deleted. Now let's choose the option of, we have seen how we can copy it out. Now let's move it to the Christmas shopping. So it would be removed from the new year wish list. So you can see the item is successfully moved. So the product has been removed from the new year wish list and has been added to the Christmas shopping list, as you can see here, right? So we have seen how we can move a particular product from one wish list to another wish list, how we can copy a particular product from one wish list to another wish list, how we can delete the particular item in a particular wish list, and now let's see how we can add a particular product from any of the wish list to the cart there. So for that you have to just tap on the cart icon and the particular product would be added into the cart. So you can see that now we have the Canon product in the cart there itself, right? So these were the options like the allowed wishlist settings, share wishlist, manage wishlist, to delete or update the status of each wishlist there, to create new wishlist, to view the particular wishlist, and the options to move a particular product from one wishlist to another, copy from one to another, delete the particular item in a particular wishlist, and the option to add the particular product into the cart for making a checkout. So you can see that after add to cart, it has been removed from the particular wish list as well. And this is the side panel option wherein we have the my wish list that displays the complete list of wish lists that we have already created and wherein we can manage our wish list as well. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you the rest of the configuration settings there. So for that I'll be entering the username, password and tapping on the login button for the Shopware admin backend panel. So I've logged into the admin backend panel. So first of all, let me show you the initial configuration settings. For that, we'll go to extensions and my extensions. And here we'll find the multi wish list option. Here we'll tap on these three dots and tap on the configuration option. So here under the customer settings, you can choose the sales channel, total number of allowed wish list for the customers, total allowed items per wish list for the customers, whether you want to enable the share wish list option or not, show wish list button on the shopping cart. If you want to show the add to wish list button on the shopping cart, then you need to enable this particular option here. Then you need to enter the subject for the admin, product edit in your wish list, and enter the content for the admin. Hello, customer name, your product is edited in wish list. Thanks, Smith Doe. So you can set this up, and this email would be sent out to the customer when he adds the particular product in the wish list there. And then you need to tap here on the save button. Now let me show you how we can do the rest of the configurations there, and for that we'll go to settings and then extensions, and here we'll find the customer wish list. So under the customer wish list, we'll be able to see the complete list of customers, their customer email, and here we have the option to view the wish list. So if we view the wish list for John Doe, here you can see the New Year wish list that we had created, the dresses, Christmas shopping, New Year shopping, Diwali shopping, and from here we can view the products within each of the wish lists as well. So here we are having two products, iPhone and jacket. Let's go back. Now if I go to the Christmas shopping, we can view the products within the same. So here's our Canon product, main product, shoes and iPhone. So you can view the particular products within the same. Let me show you once again. And from here, if you want, you can also delete the products if you want. So yes, that was much about the multi-wishlist plugin for the Shopware 6 platform itself, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.